Punch. Punching techniques in karate are called tsuki or zuki. Contact is made with the first two knuckles, seiken. If any other part of the hand is used to strike with, such as the back of the fist or the bottom of the fist, then the blow is classified as a strike. Karate punches include the thrust punch, oizuki, made using the lead hand, straight punch, chokuzuki, reverse punch, gyakuzuki, made from the opposite hand, and many other variations. Kata Pinan Nidan. It is a Japanese word describing detailed patterns of movements practiced either solo or in pairs. Karate kata are executed as a specified series of approximately 20 to 70 moves, with stepping and turning while attempting to maintain perfect form. The Pinan kata are a series of 5 empty hand forms taught in many karate styles. The Pinan kata originated in Okinawa. Shuto tiles breaking. Shuto tiles breaking. A knife hand strike may be delivered along an arc somewhere midway between vertical and horizontal, usually with the aim of numbing an attacker's forearm. In many Japanese and Chinese martial arts systems, the knife hand is used to block as well as strike. Male Topogiri. A scissor kick or gunting in Malay language in martial arts is used to describe certain kicking techniques that resemble a pair of scissors. It may describe a mid-air kick in which both legs are swung or kicked out in different directions to strike two opponents simultaneously in rapid succession. Spin wheel kick. There are many variations of this kick. The kick may look like a slanted aerial cartwheel, and at the same time, the body spins. The nunchuck is a traditional weapon of the Kobudo weapon set and consists of two sticks connected at their ends with a short chain or rope. Traditionally, both ends are of equal length. The weight should be balanced towards the outer edges of the sticks for maximum ease and control of the swing arcs. Nunchuck causes injury to an inexperienced user, and the nunchuck is very effective close-range weapon. When used in combat, the nunchuck provides the obvious advantage of an increase in the reach of one strike. Once an opponent has moved their body or weapon into close range, the nunchuck is used to strike vital points and apply joint locks, chokes, and other control techniques. Nunchuck training has been noted to increase hand speed for exposure and condition of the hands of the practitioner. It is strongly recommended that you do not try to use a nunchuck if you do not know how. You will probably hurt yourself. strike with the bottom of the clenched fist, used as an action like swinging a hammer, but can also be used horizontally like a back fist strike using the bottom fist. This technique is very effective compared to Shuto. Body concentration. Often used to refer especially to the thought processes of reason. Here, many tiles are broken in different parts of the body. Next comes sword. An offensive weapon having a long and usually sharp pointed blade with a cutting edge or edges. A sword is a long-edged piece of metal once used as a cutting and or thrusting weapon in many civilizations throughout the world. The power of the sword is neither good nor evil until used. Swords forged between 987 and 1597 are generally called katana. These are considered the pinnacle of Japanese swordcraft. What generally differentiates the different swords is their length. Japanese swords are measured in units of shaku. A blade shorter than 1 shaku is considered a knife. A blade longer than 1 shaku but less than 2 is considered a short sword. Only senior karate castes are allowed to practice these weapons. It needs very high mind concentration. Without concentration, it is very difficult to fight or block a knife attack. Compared to the empty hand, it is difficult and very dangerous to block the enemy with an empty hand. Legs are used for blocking instead. Here comes abdomen tiles breaking. In abdomen tiles breaking, mind concentration is very, very important. It describes a state of concentrated attention on some object of thought or awareness. It usually involves turning the attention inward to a single point of reference. With the full concentration, they tighten their abdomen. Disclaimer: nobody is allowed to try this at home since it causes serious injuries. These stunts are done by trained professionals. Please do not try at home. Finish bow. The bow is the universal symbol of humility within the arts and some Oriental cultures, and should be practiced and learnt as much as possible. While finishing the classes or seminars, all the karate castes used to say a Japanese term, "Arigatou gozaimashita," which means thank you very much.
A big round of applause for our karate students. That was a rip-roaring performance. And this is an example of discipline displayed by Geetanjali Public School students.